So first of all, obviously I'm doing during the day, and I couldn't quite figure out how to turn on the headlights. So what I did, because it has an automatic, but I don't know how to turn it on manually. So what I did was, so this is the, in case you don't know, this is actually what detects the sunlight and stuff for the automatic headlights. So if this thing sees light, then it won't turn on the headlight. But I use this box to just block it, so that way it thinks it's dark, and then that way when I unlock the car, it will turn on the headlights. So that's kind of what I did. So I tested out. So as you see, I hit the unlock button, it comes out. So anyways, under the hood, don't mind it looking dirty. I need to detail this thing. Well, this is the headlight. You can see it has one piece over here, and this is the other side. What you gotta do is twist it, and then it should just come open like that. It has a rubber seal on it, so make sure that's seated properly when you go to put it back. And then you just reach in there. I can't really show you this, but let's see, I can put it on. Well, anyway, what you're doing, you put your hand in there, and you can feel the bulb, and you just twist it. Let's see, it's kind of hard because I have bigger hands. Okay, so you just twist it, and then to the right, I think, and then it should just come out like that. So that's halogen bulb. Now to disconnect it, you just let's see. Okay, so this is connected down here. So you just pull up on this side and on this side. Pull up these two tabs, this one and this one. That should just come right off. I'm gonna keep this halogen bulbs for extra because they still work. So I'll keep it in case, something happens. So you're gonna take the LED ones with the same connector, and then you just fish out the little connector, and you just plug that in. Like that. Make sure it clicks. And before I put it back in, I want to test it and make sure it works, because I know some of these have like a positive, negative, and a different orientation. So I'm gonna unlock it. Okay, so it's not coming on. I probably put it in the wrong way, so let me turn it around. So if it doesn't work, all you do is just disconnect it, and then I just twist it around the other way. That. There we go. So that's why you want to make sure you test it before you put it back in, so you make sure you got it. So what you do from this point is the same thing. Just fish it back in the hole and just twist it to the left to lock it in. So fish it in. This part might be a little tricky because you can't see it. I'm gonna try to feel where the hole is first. Okay. Slide it in. Alright, so I already got it in. Alright, like I said, it was a little bit tricky. So I'm not gonna lie, it took me a little bit to figure it in. And then once you do that, just make sure you shove all the wires back in there. And now let me show you how I actually got this one angled in. So what I did, I put the halogen back in just to see how it goes in, and it goes in this way for the passenger side. So you put it in this way. Okay, this two tabs should be up there like this, and then you twist it this way to lock it in. So unlocking it will be this way and out. So putting it back in this way and down. So that's how it is for the passenger side, and then obviously you want to put this cover back. Make sure that seal is sitting in there properly, or else you're gonna get moisture on your headlight. So, and then you just plug that back in like that. Good snug. That's good. So once that's it, I'll show you all the difference. So there it is. That's a halogen. So alright, now let's do the driver's side. One cool thing about these LEDs, if you notice from the halogen, is that see, it has like this little big thing right here. This is actually a fan. This is actually a fan that spins when you turn it on. So it actually helps to cool it down. LEDs don't get as hot as halogens, so it's even nice that they actually put extra cooling measure for it. It's supposed to be brighter and last longer than halogens, so for me it's an upgrade I don't want any car to buy without LEDs or HIDs. So, and I don't believe this car actually offered HIDs from the factory, so at least not for this year. Anyways, so yeah, it's driver's side. You choose the cap off and reach right in. Big hand, so it's a little bit difficult for me. We have small hands, I would imagine. So it might be a little harder because of this thing's in the way. But anyways, you just twist that out. Finally got this one in. Driver's side. It's pretty much the same angle as passenger side. Like this and down and like this, and I'll stick it out. This one was a pain in the ass. Well, it was a little bit more difficult than that one because there's barely any room here. But I got big hands. That's probably why. If you have small hands, I mean, you can get it done. You just have to finagle it. But yeah, let me put this cap back. So I forget. So I said, make sure that seal is seated in properly before you go to put it back in. Just get snug. No, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take this ball actually and keep them for spare. It's still good. So let's close this hood. This car, you gotta jam it in so it goes in like one turn on. See what it looks like. Obviously it's gonna be a lot brighter at night, but in the same time, so. But that's pretty much how you do it. It's a quick, easy, thing to do, so why not just get it done, right? On the side marker bulbs, I got this from AutoZone. It's a 194. The front I think is 168, 194. It can use 194 for both. Difference is just the wattage. You're gonna need a 5.5 millimeter socket. I didn't have one, so I had to run to Walmart real quick and get this. So, well, yeah, let me show you. It's pretty easy. My driver's side front and my passenger side rear is out. So first thing you want to do is turn the wheel all the way to the right. And then you gotta take 1, 2, probably just this tool. You might not have to take this one out. So I don't know if you can see it. So 1, 2. Then quick. Ended up taking out all 3 just to make it easier. And then you just pull the fender back like that, and the bulb is right there. You can see right there, and you just reach in and then twist it. It pops out like that. Now you just put the new one in. You want to go get it replaced it. The bulb just comes out. This is a new one. And you just plug it in literally. It's that easy. I forgot to record washer and dryer side. So it's working. Put this back in, same way. Back on this. I find the hole. Put the hole and then find it. There it is. Do it. I'll say if I can find the link and put in the description for the type of bulbs and everything. Actually, it's a H11. That's what it is. So the headlight bulb's H11. So, but anyways, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, man. Like, subscribe, man. I'll see you on next one, man. Venturing it out.